Sinsang Tai Tai Leho. I'm Melody Fernandez, born on May 21, 1980. 45 years old from Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm a married at a best with four children aged 23, 21, 22, and 19 years old. I'm a college undergraduate. I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I worked as domestic helper in Hong Kong from 4 months, from September 2014 to January 2015. I served a one couple and newborn baby. I worked as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 4 years and 1 month, from February 2015 to March 2019. I served a one couple and two children ages 4 years old and a newborn baby. I worked as domestic helper in Saudi from 1 year and 4 months, from April 2023 to August 2024. I served a one couple and children aged 7 and 3 years old.
Hello, Miss Melody Fernandez. How are you today?
I'm good and thank you, sir.
May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My duties are taking care of whole families, providing the service that they need special when I comes in their children.
Can you tell to us about your daily activities from the morning that you wake up until the night you enter your bed?
My my daily duties and my daily activities and duties are cleaning houses, cooking. There are food are for the whole day, washing clothes and dishes and take care of their babies.
Okay, so what are your reasons why you want to go back again in Hong Kong?
Because I really experienced their culture and also because the people nice.
Can you cook some Chinese food? Can you give us example dish and how to cook it?
Yes, sir. I like vegetables stir fry. First, you need to stir mixed vegetables such on the bell pepper, carrots, broccoli, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and then serve all rice.
What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare the food and one time check if they're roots and wet and always keep them safe.
How will you assist the child when crossing the street?
Hold their hand, look for the right and left before crossing.
Okay, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regular check up the diaper, it is wet, the feed and baby on the time and give and medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Baby attend first, and baby feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that baby is the time that I can do the household chores.
Okay, so what if you found out that the baby has fever and your employer is not at home? What will you do?
First, I need to call and inform the employer and the parents. I call a doctor to help and advise.
Alright, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as the housemaid because I need the job. It will be a big help for my family. Promise to meet my duties and responsibilities and may finish my contract.
Alright, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Melody Fernandez, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.